I'm gonna say maybe 611 learned a lesson yesterday. This Ty was down here for quite a while with her in lockups, fighting her to get her to stand and let that calf eat. 041, you have my permission to run Rainy out of there. She does not need to be in there. And I know it's upsetting you, so do it. Just run her out of there. Tell her. Rainy, get out of there. Oh, hey. Well, part of them are in now. I make enough noise to come over. Rainy, get out of there. I'm gonna take the hot shot to your butt, old lady. I'm not sure if it's her or one of her brothers that's on my list this morning, since Becky's insisted that her brothers stay in because the nasty weather. 46 degrees this morning. It did not get cold. We have, however, had between 1.25 inches and 1.5 inches of rain in the last 24 hours. And sometimes she doesn't make it through the night. She still don't listen to me. Go figure. And sometimes if her brothers are in, they don't make it through the night. The only good thing is, usually, if they got to go pee. Yes, I'm talking about you, Red. Maybe. It'll be on a rug in front of one of the doors. Well, that, 2.5 by 3 or 3.5 foot rug that soaks up a lot of stuff. It did not hold but a small portion of it. It was in front of the sliding glass door, over to the kitchen wall, all the way down to the door into the kitchen. Becky cleaned part of it up. I finished cleaning the rest of it up before I came out. I found it when I went to let the dogs out. I hate stepping in dog piss. Or shit. Or cat piss. Or shit. Sorry. Wandering around, figuring out where I'm going. I'm going to fill buckets and feed. She's not one of the normal ones that come up and touch me. 522. I was trying to get the camera turned on and she was touching the back of my hand. Oh, 534 is underneath my hand though. There she is. Good morning. So you decided you're going to come out? Yeah, that's my hand. That's my hand. You be picking your nose with my fingers. Those are for picking my nose. Uh-oh. Even past. How past? Who else is over here? Who is that down there? Really? I get her to quit picking her nose and then you come up and pick your nose. I'm going to wipe it on your ear. I'm going to wipe it on your ears. There. That's who that was. That's who I thought it was. Huh? That's my elbow. How about you? It's been a while since you came up. Once you finish coming up, I'm going to almost reach you. I got you. Haha, I got it, you. Yeah, that was my hand that touched the top of your head. Oh, well, as you can hear, it's raining. Get you some mini zooms from the heifer calf. Then she stops. And I don't know, the poor bull calf, he got stuck between the cows a minute ago and just came out. And I don't know if he went to try to eat or what, but Mama pushed him away. But he was eating earlier without her being a biatch. I don't know what Ty has for notes from her from last year, but as far as I'm concerned, she's on the list for this year. Too much time getting her calf eaten on her. Where did she? Oh, there she is, hiding behind the pole. Say good morning, Wyatt. Can you say good morning? Just gonna giggle. Just gonna giggle. You stuck your finger in your mouth. Rubbing where those teethers are, where it hurts. Because you got more teethers coming in. Okay, there you get to see Wyatt this morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you tell me you went to your new preschool yesterday?
I got my people.
And did you have fun?
Have fun?
My teacher.
Your teacher?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're gonna start in August, right?
No, September.
September.
Oh, September. I'm sorry, I was off.
September.
Say
I
September.
thought I'd heard her say August.
September. And you gotta pack a lunch. And they're gonna have snackies for you. Fresh fruit and some goldfish and crackers, like that sort of thing.
Yeah, and you love goldfish and you love crackers, right?
And if it's not raining, they play outside.
They got a
Eat outside.
trampoline.
Boom.
Blake, you tell them about the house
Look,
is there a
all
house you
kinds of
play
cool
with?
Stuff.
and a kitchen that you're gonna make what? What are you gonna
Put
make?
your hand out of your mouth.
Teeter totter.
Coffee.
Oh, a trampoline.
Yep.
Yeah,
Is
coffee.
there a teeter totter?
Be nice.
Why are you playing drums on my titty?
Look what I finally took off. That box is empty. And I can feel that air here. I am a full, 12 feet away? So that's a win. In case anybody's wondering, I did dump that this morning at 5.5 inches. And we started yesterday morning at like 4 inches. And it's wet. It's not too bad at the moment. You know, just a little river running down here. I'm gonna see if I can find some puppies. I'm gonna guess they're hiding in here someplace. Because the only thing at the house is the old dogs. That's fine if they hide in here, as long as they're being good. Ty wants to move that 6'11" cow over here with her. They're both on the same list, the short list. Kind of expecting somebody to spit out a calf today with the way the weather is, but it hasn't happened yet. Stepped in a hole, almost dropped you. I don't see any puppies yet either. Kind of concerns me. Figured I'd lubricate some pivot points. Had an issue with my fluid fill. Plugged the frickin' nozzle up. Had to go blow it out. But they're lubricated. Then I noticed that the jam nut at the end of those cylinders wasn't tight. So I evened the cylinders up, tightened them up. Then I got to thinking I really need to drop it off. Because one thing I don't like about this bucket, see the gap? The other side's a bigger gap. It's made wider than the coupler is, so it shifts back and forth. Kind of a pain in the butt if you're trying to do something against the wall or whatever, because then it moves and then it's not there. My plan is to just weld a block in on each side so it can't move. But I don't think I'm going to do that today. Ty went through a bunch more stuff out here. Oh yeah, the old farts are in here, at least the boys. Had a bunch of shit put away from here. Still got a couple of things. See if these are stainless like I think they are. Yep, thought they were. Got a place for them. Need to get that put back upstairs. That shit needs to go upstairs. That shit needs to go upstairs. Of course, you can't hardly get upstairs because it's full. Oh, yeah. Don't know what that thing's problem is. That's the one that died when we were working in the basement. Ty took it apart and then I messed with it. She couldn't get it the rest of the way apart. But hey, look. Oh, that's metric. I want stainless. And she shoved. Yeah, oh well, that's going to take both hands. Anyway, the only thing I could find, I mean, the armature's kind of dirty, but it doesn't look bad. Permanent magnet motor, and actually type with the magnet in a bag, and it's in the top of my toolbox. There was a bunch of, come on, where is it? Yeah, a little bit of white crap on that one, and those two were full of carbon. And then a couple spots on the winding look a little funky, but it's kind of hard to tell because you really can't see most of it. So I don't know. It's like the fan's hitting somewhere is what it kind of sounds like when you're trying to use it, but the fan doesn't show any sign of damage anywhere. Not that I've found anyway. I told Ty we may try putting it back together. It's only, she's safe from 14. It's only 12 years old. It's had the pishies out of it. So, but look, a lot less stuff on the bench. I'm not going to know what to do. I already can't find anything. But it's about that time, so I'm going to go feed. Ty said where that cow that won't mama her calf, the gate going outside there is wind. I think the wind broke the twine that was holding it open last night, actually. So I got to go tie that back open. Stand in the rain and tie that back open. Ah, yeah, you can see it's a little wider on this side. You can see where it's been rubbing back and forth. I don't like that. That just wears on everything. So I don't know if I'll work on it tomorrow or what. I mean, it ain't going to take much. Unhook it, push it forward a little, unhook it, and back the machine up enough to do it. And Thursday, about the middle of the dry spell, I think we're supposed to have. I got to work on that horse manure bucket Thursday and Friday and get it done and out of here. That way his guys can get back to cleaning horse stalls. They're still cleaning, it's just that the bucket's getting worse. Come on guys, let's go get some dinner. At least they listen once in a while. Yeah, there's what the creek looks like after right on 2.5 inches in the last 34 hours. It's come up a wee bit. Keep in mind, there was rain before that too. I just don't, off the top of my head, remember how much. But between yesterday and this morning, yesterday morning and this morning, in a 24-hour period, there was 1.5 inches. And in 10 hours today, it's another full inch. Just a wee bit damp. Be nice if these guys had more room, but we get rid of 5 of them, there'll be more room for them anyway. Old dirty girl there, she's been out in a lot while I've been feeding. Yeah. She just wants to make a mess in the house. She thinks she's gonna go in that way, but she's not. Oh, we'll see where it's at tomorrow. Hope you all had a great Monday and hope everybody has a great Tuesday.